question.
Hey, what's going on today? This is your faith coming to you. I'm at Clover's. Y'all see my burger, see my fries. I got me some cheddar fries. Look at that. Look at this burger. That's light bright over there.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
Look what she eat. Oh, you can't see yours. It's okay.
I mean the same thing. What you
She eating the same thing. Trying to focus it. Y'all see what I'm trying to do. I forgot my camera. I had to use my phone. Sorry about yesterday. Just get a little sick. This cheese. No. She dipping in mine.
She's about to have a fit.
Look at my cheese. She got her own cheese.
You want your cheese though? You got more cheese than me.
Yeah, if you don't leave my cheese alone. You see how she's stealing my cheese? She better get out of my cheese. She know how I am to my food.
Burger delicious, that's so.
Look at that fry.
See that burger.
Look at that. I gotta show y'all one more thing. Clover. These are the double butter burgers.
Double butter burger.
And they have coupons. Well, you get one,
Buy one, get one.
get one free. Oh, I'm talking about a little bit. Taking some water today. Good. How you feel today?
You're still sick a little bit. I feel a little bit better.
We feel better than what we have been. I don't know if y'all can see her or not. She gotta move. There she go. What you gonna say?
None. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Yeah, just don't get sick like me.
This cold is kicking our butt. I ain't never had a cold this long. I don't know what they put in the air. And these mosquitoes this year is off the chain.
Y'all make sure that y'all subscribe. We real big on the subscribe. Thumbs up.
I already know my family loves me. I have my loyal subscribers who I love very, very much. And it's inspiring me to keep on going. They are, believe it or not. It's more of the people who I don't know and that I love so dearly because y'all give me that motivation and that push with just y'all comments. Sometimes you need that. And the people who you expect to give you that boost, no. Because I don't want to let y'all down. Even when I'm sick, I still try to get up and do a video. Because I know y'all look forward to seeing me. And I look forward to doing the video. I love doing the videos for y'all and seeing the different reactions and the comments that I get. I say it's a blessing. And it's a blessing to watch your channel grow.
You starting to feel weak.
I feel weak. I feel sick. I hope I don't throw up again. I'm sorry. My stomach is not agreeing with what I'm eating. I haven't tried chicken noodle soup.
You should make some today.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah. You should make some more. It was good.
This cheese shoulder is good. Look at this. Don't you stick your fry with it again. She could try to steal my cheese. You see that? That's probably why my stomach tore up from this cheese.
Man, cheese is real thick.
Yes, it is. Look at that.
I'm doing enough today. I get full of fast.
Well, I just hope that y'all being safe out there and having a prosperous day. Me and Lightbright had to go out today. I had to go pay bill. And she wanted to go to the store and take back the outfit. So that's why we out today. Other than that, we would be in the house working on ourselves. And I was hungry because I didn't cook breakfast this morning. We're over there laughing.
It was a good day for me, y'all.
She don't know what to say. So I just love y'all. And hope y'all having a wonderful day. And y'all know y'all gonna see me later. Whether I'm feeling good or not, y'all gonna still see me later. And I love y'all. And if you have not subscribed to the Yo Faith family, please do. Give me a likes up, a thumbs up, and leave some comments down below. Thank you.
See y'all later.